Hello Raif Ranjan sir. I am fine. How are you Sanjay Singh? Fine sir. Could you share with us the main points for continuous professional development CPD recommended in NEP 2020? Yes Sanjay, it will be my pleasure. Teachers truly shape the future of our children and, therefore, the future of our nation. Teachers will be given continuous opportunities for self-improvement and to learn the latest innovations and advances in their professions. These will be offered in multiple modes, including in the form of local, regional, state, national, and international workshops as well as online teacher development modules. Platforms, especially online platforms, will be developed so that teachers may share ideas and best practices. Each teacher will be expected to participate in at least 50 hours of CPD opportunities every year for their own professional development, driven by their own interests. CPD opportunities will, in particular, systematically cover the latest pedagogies regarding foundational literacy and numeracy, formative and adaptive assessment of learning outcomes, competency-based learning, and related pedagogies, such as experiential learning, arts integrated, sports integrated, and storytelling-based approaches, etc. School principals and school complex leaders will have similar modular leadership/management workshops and online development opportunities and platforms to continuously improve their own leadership and management skills, and so that they too may share best practices with each other. Such leaders will also be expected to participate in 50 hours or more of CPD modules per year, covering leadership and management, as well as content and pedagogy with a focus on preparing and implementing pedagogical plans based on competency-based education. Today we have discussed about following points. A. Continuous opportunities for self-improvement for teachers. B. 50 hours of CPD opportunities every year for their own professional development. C. School principals and school complex leaders will also participate in 50 hours or more of CPD modules per year. Thank you much Raif Ranjan sir. Resource NEP 2020, presented by Raif Ranjan, Principal, Teacher Trainer and CBSE Resource Person. For more information visit MHRD websites or visit www.raifl.com for more presentations, videos and articles.